Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Reddit mobile app on your phone to find easy fixes for a Chromebook screen that's popping up. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap at the top on the search bar and type something like Chromebook screen popping out fix or just Chromebook repair. Reddit will show you posts and communities where people share their repair experience. Tap into one of these communities and scroll through. When you see a post about the screen issue, tap it to read more. Many Reddit users explain common causes like loose screws, broken hinges, or the screen coming undone. Check the comment section too. Often people share step-by-step fixes or links to YouTube tutorials and repair kits. Some even suggest if it's something you can do yourself or if you should take it to a repair shop. If you find a useful guide, you can tap the three dot on the post and hit save so you can come back to it later. You can also ask your own question by tapping the plus button and writing a post in the right community. And that's it. With the Reddit app on your phone, you can quickly find solution to fix a Chromebook screen that's popping out. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.